Elton Costa.
Speaker, sir, I rise to speak on the demands pertaining to Department Transport, Panchayat Raj, Industries, Trade and Commerce. Speaker, sir, these departments play a crucial role in overall development of our state and directly impact the daily lives and livelihoods of our people. Transport is the backbone of connectivity, ensuring that citizens can travel safely, efficiently while supporting economic activities across the towns and villages. Panchayat Raj institutions represent the foundation of grassroots democracy and are essential for strengthening rural governance and development likewise. The Department of Industries, Trade and Commerce are vital for promoting entrepreneurship, generating employment opportunities and boosting economic growth in our state. Speaker, sir, when we speak about transport, demand 13, Goa is a tourism state and in fact, being from a tourism background, Speaker, sir, जेन्ना टुरिस्ट आमच्या गोंय येताय they face a lot of hardship because of transport. Speaker, sir, आणि जेन्ना गोंया म्हाका दिसता जे accidents जाता, I think so 65 accidents, म्हाका दिसता this rent-a-bikes and this rent-a-cars, they contribute in 65% of accidents. I'm not blaming the owners or anything, but in fact somewhere something has to be formulated. And apart from rent-a-bikes, I think so many years back, this license have been kept on hold, rent-a-bike, new license denied. But many of them who want to do something, employment, then they try to get illegal bikes, private bikes and give it on rent. So I urge the Honorable Minister to find out a solution, something. And again, if you can give some bikes to put genuine amge goinkarang, so they can at least create employment and in a legal way. Otherwise also they try to give the bikes on rent and private. And हाल तरी तर सांपळले समज तर ₹5 them जोड्या then 10-15,000 they get fined. So I feel that government has to think over it. आणि एक streamline कोण rent a bike म्हाका दिसता पोत्तून it not a rent a car, I'm talking about rent a bike. If you can at least open that for few days and नीज गोंयकारांक मूड गोंयकारां समज तरी केलें, it will be a great help because day by day tourists are growing and local tourists coming, so I feel that should be done. Speaker, sir, when we talk about transport, Kadamba bus, Bab Tuekara Gunya Kunam, every time I ask, to na kenna muna, but end result kahin jaina, because it is not in his hand. He always he says buses are short, drivers are short, kittariya. Anika, last 4 years I'm demanding some buses. Out of that, I think so 7-8 demands, just one is fulfilled. I'm just taking the names of these places: Subdole and Dabe, Popoidando, Kudi in Khola. ये एरिया म्हाका people are struggling, ये बारीक लोक आमगेले तुगेले बस you all cannot, I don't know where the department is heading to Kadamba transport. See, सरकार इतली पयस मोटा, why not on transport, why not give benefit to our local आणि ह्या गोंयकारांक they come with their vegetable बीन तांकां ते पावन आले तांकां ते कित खावड तेल पेडे जावन वयता. So just see, you increase the buses. Now you have given that you all are going to 169 some buses more in the budget. You all have said you all are going to give. But just see as soon as possible, because I think so, not only me, everyone is facing the problem of because of KTC buses. Sometimes sokaneta buso dempor ine ratiko ine. So then they get stuck. I also get a lot of calls when I send my hotel taxis to pick them up from Margo and Paupa. So just see this Kadambas are streamlined. Kitne kurai na sokan bude datai dempot danai, my evening we my danai. So just see that you all streamline this Kadamba buses, because this are the major source, at least in my constituency, Kadamba is a major source of transportation. So just see that you do it. Speaker, sir, in schools you all have buses. And last time also I had mentioned this name of Baldi Government High School. One bus, one driver, 3 to 4 trips in a day from morning. He starts at 5:30, 6 o'clock. Just take down this Baldi Government High School. एकू ड्रायव्हर आहा तो बाबलो सकाळसून 3-4 ट्रिप मारता. He is also a human being. Just see that you give instantly one bus to this Baldi High School, Government High School. Masekor, because Captain MP Namga, Captain Virato has given almost 3 buses in my constituency. I'm grateful to him. But I feel that you also, Kadamba should at least give this particular school a bus dipak. It becomes a difficulty at least for these students around Baldi area. Speaker, sir, I'm going to Don Bosco Vocational School College in Kepe. And these people, this priest or this association helps the downtrodden, a barik loka samajak and help all these vocational courses. but they don't have, the father principal had come to me, they don't have people, students who want to come, but because of transportation, they cannot afford. The same courses which are by 50, 60,000, they give it for 10 and 15,000. So just see Don Bosco Vocational College in Kepe, we need a bus starting from Betul via Bali, Kokoli until Kepe. Just note down this, at least one bus there in Bali and one bus for this Don Bosco Vocational College in Kepe. Speaker sir, Amgelia RTO department, at least in Kepe, Assistant Director Baba Rajesh Shettyamuna, he's all his officers are doing a very good job. Can I complain in Amka? Local Baba think Trask bin Kelmut. But Magdista RTO apnage काम करता है. But it does not come in the transport, but roads. Definitely we charge, fine gata hai. Itlan amkule overspeeding of fine आता है magir. But amgele roste sarkas waja isle. So tomorrow we'll speak on that. But on the, when you are fine matai, see that the infrastructure is put in place. Bhagam fine matai, baki che kai na. Because there was one initial bus going, and Tuyekar Baba Hobra, Agonda to Vasco, Italy. Early morning from Agonda to Vasco MPT. There are a lot of employees who work in MPT. That bus has stopped. Just see that you can revive that bus because Gaurav Jaha, because there is this road from Amgela Khola to Margaon road from Kanagini side. And if Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it will problem. A lot of accidents, at least 2-3 accidents on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So the Honorable Minister, just keep a tab on this. Here, Rodak Maset Gale, RTO Kanago, tab done. 90% are tourists. Itli speed in Cholita, locals, Kanagin, Italy, Lokatras, they race driving Zada. So just see, at least you can streamline thank Tariko, RTO thing done. Masakitan thank streamline Kurpa. Speaker, sir, bus stand, last time I concerned bus stand foundation Honorable Minister silent is Failuna Kainamun. I don't know how far it is through what, but we need a bus stand since it's a Kushavati now district. We need a proper bus stand in Kepe. So you have to identify the place and see that a proper bus stand with good facilities have to be there in Kepe. Since it's a third district and Kepe is going to be a center, just see that a new good bus stand has to be there. I'm getting a taxi, rickshaw by taxi by pilot high. In fact, one pilot for the stand, I had put my own funds and I had done a small stand for the pilots. But rickshaw stand, I'm getting rickshaw by. There is place, if you can do something for those rickshaw fellows, I'm getting Kepkar, I think it would be a great help for them. Speaker sir, I'm getting pilot Goya chai bike, and so good something. A very facility for these pilots to all over Goa. If you can come up with some facilities, then it would be a great help for these pilots. Because sir, when we speak about panchayats, Maksada, basic staff, tenka clerk, peon, barik sarki काम कुदायते. इतले और सान लोका के बारीक काम कुदायते. tenka अजून 6th pay aha. You had promised them to give them a 7th pay from 2016. Now we are दूसरा 8th pay लापा लागली. See that this staff gets the 7th pay at least by this year. It is very important. Your government has promised, and they are the people who are working for the people, the locals from the panchayat. See that you do that. Speaker sir, Amgele Anton Bhai Bolela, Tenka Papan Sadar salary Vadela, good thing. But I feel that Zilla and the Punch members, Sarpanja, Tenka petrol traveling allowance, basic petrol allowance for the Zilla members. So we are also getting 500 liters, I think so, per month as MLAs. So see that something you can give allowance as petrol allowance to Zilla members and the Panchayat members, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, Janna, Ami trade industries are Jolaitai. Kitol Aerosports Hub, one thing is come on the paper. It's a big issue which is happening in South. And it has been approved from IPB. Anik, in fact, I spoke to the Honorable Chief Minister, and Chief Minister has told me that he'll give me a detailed thing on it, presentation. Speaker sir, amge kisa ta chukta. IPB, it's a board which approves, but amge chukt kitto no, soglem poila approve kotay, and magi goinkara sangtay. This has to be changed. And goinkara gele. And anything when you all come up with some project, you all take the local person or MLA or the panchayat, the local Gram Sabha into confidence, get it done. लोक मागीर ओचांबळ जाता मागीर राजकारण जाता मागीर दोन भाशेन ग्रुप्स जाताय. So instead of doing this, when you all have everyone inclusive, you all get the people, you all get the local body, locals into confidence and then approve. There is nothing bad in doing anything. Goa wants development. It has to be sustainable. लोकांक कितें भायल्यान घालपाय ना. Now it is 2,48,000 square meter of land. आमगे केपेकारांगे जमीन दी, localsange जमीन दी. We are not, without knowing the facts, we don't want to oppose it, but we have to know, the locals have to know, the panchayat, the gram sabha have to know what they want to come up with. Will it create employment? Will it आमगेले natural जे आमगे resource आहे ते आमगेले दोतले सांभाळटले? It might be a distraction. What it is? We don't know anything about it. IPB jail paper आमको कळे, and people get frustrated. Sarkar Mazdista, it has to be people-oriented projects. People should know what they is coming in their locality. Kita is zomin ami amge goinkaran sambalya, and I urge the government, Honorable Chief Minister and the Minister, because it's IDC land, don't get things which are affecting the livelihoods of people. If it is good, definitely we will support. If it is bad, we will oppose it. And I will, on this floor of the house, I will tell you, I will stand with the people of my constituency. But give us a presentation, what is going to come there. In the similar way, the huge warehouse, ammunition, tinga ek old ek warehouse, and there was a big blast, ammunition and a blast sallo. Anik, the panchayat did not give any license to them. All this time, there was no license. They were running it for almost 10, 15 years. And it was, when the blast took place, everyone came to know, they koda lolit. Now, because the panchayat has not approved it, IPB has approved this. And basically, people want of my constituency have to know when you are approving and when this project is coming within a 500 radius, that means 1 kilometer diameter, there will be no development. Lokage zaga hato pad zatlo because of this one thing. I urge the government, before approving, giving a final thing, we will come all out against this project. If you all are doing to take people for granted and panchayat local bodies samadari tummi deprive kontari tum IPM plan tari approve kon startalo, I will see that it is not been come. On the floor of the house, I say, because 1 kilometer of the diameter, 500 radius, people won't be doing anything. Think development kurman because of this one person's benefit. I urge the government to cancel this project which is coming. Speaker sir, आता ONGC या, अनेक ONGC मुद्दाम सांगता. It is not now. It is last 30-35 years ONGC is there. There were local transport operators. There were local contractors. Now ONGC has got contractors. I'll just read out the names. Second contractor आहे ते गोयंकार आमगेले पहिलं प्रकाश ट्रान्सपोर्ट, श्री शांतादुर्गा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कंपनी. We are famous for transport companies. आमगे स्पीकर तो जाणा असलो ट्रान्सपोर्ट कंपनी किती आहा ते. But all these companies कोण आहे ते कोण Ashok Agarwal from West Bengal, Jageshwari Enterprise from Rajasthan. These people have been given contract. And here आमगे local Lakshmi Paulu Travels, all these people were operating there. Yeah, Bailan ko the going amgele, you are coming with industries, you are coming with things, and you are employing outsiders. Going car konna taxi, even single taxi rent is been given to outsider from Delhi, ONGC. We will go out, I'll tell, and last time when this taxi thing happened during that energy week, I urged the Chief Minister intervenes on it. But now these tenders, all these local taxi and the bus tenders are given outside. Don't blame us if we try come on the road and mold todi geldele. I urge the government, the minister has to give us in assurance that ONGC, whatever tenders of transport and whatever local, what Goinkaran Korpa Jata, Goinkara ko samaj of capable of doing it, it has to be given to a go not outsiders. So with this, I feel the Honorable Minister will
Honorable
listen to
MLA.
our demands.